Welcome back to my channel Simple Coding.
Today I will show you how to represent octal number in the form of binary. So in octal number the base is 8, that is 2 to the power cube. Now these 3 means, or the power means, number of bits required to represent octal number in the form of binary. Now in case of hexadecimal number the base is 16. 16 equals to 2 to the power 4. That means we require 4 bit to represent hexadecimal number in the form of binary. Okay. Now, so we are doing with octal number. So, now these 3 bits. Okay. Now, if we require 1 bit, then we will take only 1. In case of 2 bit, 2 and 1. In case of 3 bit, 4, 2 and 1. In case of 4 bit, 8, 4, 2, 1. That means this 1 into 2 gives us this 2 bit. Now this 2 into 2 gives us this bit. Now this 4 into 2 gives us this bit. Now in case of 5 bit we require 8 into 2, that is 16. Then we will use 16, 8, 4, 2 and 1. Okay, now we are using octal, that's why we require only 3 bits, that is 4, 2 and 1. Okay. Now in octal number now from octal number to binary, now we require 3 bit, 4, 2 and 1. Octal number starts from 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is total 8 numbers, that's why its base is 8. Now to represent 0 we simply put 0, 0, 0. Why 0? Because we are not taking any kind of bit. Example, we are not taking 4, we are not taking 2, we are not taking 1. Now in case of 1 we will write 0, 0, 1, because we are taking only this one part, 1 bit. In case of 2 we are taking only 2, rest are 0, 0. In case of 3 we are taking 2 and 1. Why 2 and 1? Because 2 plus 1 gives us 3 and bit 4 is 0. Now for 4 we are taking only 4. 2 is 0, 1 is also 0. For 5 we are taking 4 plus 1, rest is 0. For 6, 4 plus 2, 6, 1 is 0. For 7, 4 plus 2 plus 1. So is that clear? In this case, okay, so in this case whichever bit I am taking, I will simply put 1 at that particular bit, and whichever bit I am not taking, I will simply put 0 on that particular bit. Now for example this 2, for this 2 I am taking only this 2 bit, okay, and rest are 0. Now for this 5 I am taking 4 and 1. Why? Because 4 plus 1 5. That's why we are taking 4 and 1. Now for this 6 we are taking only 4 and 2, because 4 plus 2 gives us 6. So in this way we have to represent octal number in the form of binary.
So this is the end of our today's topic. If you like my video, then don't forget to click on like, share and subscribe button. Thank you.